Welcome to MagAnalyst, an application that offers a comprehensive set of tools to streamline and enhance your magnetization analysis. In our previous video, we've learned how to model the anhysteretic curve of a soft ferrite with very low anisotropy. In this tutorial video, we'll explore how increasing the number of components can enhance the accuracy of our model. Let's dive into our new analysis by opening our previously saved project and save it as a new file. Next, we will add a second component to our analysis and define the critical field seeds. Additionally, we'll set up Hx, a field at which our modeled curve must pass through the data curve. Typically, a value between the critical fields works well. To ensure convergence, we'll tighten the field bounds, as the optimization problem may have multiple local minima. Keep in mind that as the number of components increases, the computation time to minimize the fitting error will also increase. By examining the solution's error and the residuals plots, we can see that this fitting provides a better description of our data compared to using only one component. However, it is important to note that as with any multivariate fitting technique, a thorough analysis is needed for a proper physical interpretation of the results. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing with MagAnalyst.